Welcome to Homemaking with Mima. My name is Wendy, and again, today is another day. I'm going to go through the freezer, the upright freezer down here, pull out what needs to be eaten, bring it upstairs, force ourselves to eat it, straighten up the upright freezer some so I can get some freezer meals I made and get them into the upright freezer because that's where they belong. And if you hear some noise, my sump pump is working and there's no shutting that off. You just leave that go. We've gotten so much rain that it needs to just run when it wants to run. I'm also doing laundry here, but I shut the machines down just so that I can do the introduction with you. And so that's what I'm going to be doing. Just lightly organizing, pulling out stuff that needs to come out of the upright freezer. And I believe today I'm going to try and fit in as well to clean, kind of pick up, straighten up, clean up where my main pantry is as well. And I'm going to bring you folks along with me. Well, that certainly didn't take long at all. So I just kind of straightened up stuff, and I should bring these up because it is summer. I'm just going to set them right there for right now. We eat those in the summertime. They're nice to bring. You know, I am going to bring them up. We eat those in the summertime. They're good for bringing in a lunch. By the time it's lunchtime, then they thaw out. So, and it's just those Go-Gurt little strip packet thingies. I've got room for more freezer meals. I do plan on making possibly some breakfast freezer meals, other than just the waffles that I had. Those are just about gone. So now I'm going to focus on the actual big pantry. Okay, so I'm done in the laundry room where the upright freezer is. Clean that out real quick. So now I'm in my pantry, and I am in the middle of doing $5 challenge. So I'm going to pull all that off the shelf, put it into a container, and set all that aside so that I can get these shelves cleaned, get things reorganized. I'm hoping I can get it all done today. This may be a 2-day project, but now I'm in my pantry room. I am done. And I went through and I checked expiration dates, and I'll show you them in a minute. But I have that big hole right there. That's for my $5 pantry challenge that I haven't finished yet. So I pulled all of that aside. Eventually that will all get intermingled in with all this, and then I'll rearrange the shelves again so that I can have product held there as well. But I am doing this in the summer also lets me know what I need to stock up on, and there's quite a few items. I did move things around a little bit so we could see them better, like some spices. I moved our health and beauty products over a little bit more just so it's easier to get at. I kept the pasta where it was, the toilet paper, paper towel. My canning jars, I've got some stored down there. And then I decided to put some other canning products down there. It's just, some of my items I use for canning. And then I have my rings that I'll also bring down here too, and I store them up above on top of there just because my canning shelf is kind of full right now on the above parts, not so much where I want product to be. So that is done. Didn't take me very long. We'll go over quick what I think I missed. And I need to force us to eat it. And there are still some items from when I first started this channel back in, was it January, February, I believe, that I still have not used up. And so I'm going to swing you over here. I still have not used that graham cracker crust. I still haven't done anything with the manicotti. I was going to make like a lasagna soup and break that manicotti up into that, but it's not soup season right now. So this might still be here for this fall. I still have the Fiesta Ranch dip. I have 1 grape jelly. I have 2 pinto beans from 2021. I found home canned applesauce. We need to eat that up. These items here are either expired or they're soon to expire. So I'm going to force myself and my family to eat them up. I got a couple rice pilafs. I've got some fruits, pineapple, mandarin oranges, pears. I have sweetened condensed milk. I don't use it that often, and look at the date on that. So yeah, I missed that the last time. I have some ideas. I wonder if I think I might make some homemade ice cream that doesn't call for an ice cream maker. I've done it in the past, and I think it calls for sweetened condensed milk. I'll have to look up that recipe. I have some rotini that's going to expire, some salad dressing, 1 tomato soup, 2 tomato pastes, some coconut milk. This can of green beans, it's got a dent in it. I don't want to hold on to that much longer, so I'm going to force us to eat it. A can of corn, some rice, some ham flavor packets, and 3 ramen packets. And yes, I do buy canned vegetables as well, just because we do run out of our canned vegetables. I don't can corn. We do a freezer corn instead, but I do buy frozen corn on the off season. And it isn't quite corn season for us to buy sweet corn to make freezer corn yet. It's getting close, but we're having such bad rainy season. I don't know. We might not be so lucky. But that's it. I want to thank you folks for joining me today. No, I did not go through the canned items because I just did that not long ago. Again, I want to thank you for joining me today. If you like this kind of content, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I want you folks to make it a really great day.